Wow, okay, Jordan. Now we are in Raven's car studio, film studio. I was filming my video clip here as well.
That's right, yeah, you did. That was a very cool music video.
It's crazy. Congratulations for a beautiful studio, by the way. I mean, congratulations, not new, but it's the biggest.
Yeah, it's pretty new, but yeah, it's a good sized studio. We use it for film, photography, but also for events like we've got today.
Okay, so you have crazy classic cars today here.
Yeah, so they look like classic cars. They look like cars from the 20s and the 30s. These are Morgan motors, all built in the UK, but they are actually modern cars. They're all 2025.
Okay, okay. Amazing, can I see?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Let's start with this one. So this is Morgan's flagship car. This is the Super Sport. So it's a 6-cylinder turbocharged engine. So it's actually the engine's from BMW. So the body looks like, you know, what you would sort of associate with a classic car in the 1920s or 30s. It's got that classic motoring style, but it's completely built from the ground up. It's a brand new chassis from Morgan. Morgan Motors are one of the oldest car companies in the world. They've been making cars in the UK coach built, so built by hand, since 1909, and they're still made in the same factory in a place called Malvern in the UK. So this is their Super Sport, their new flagship car.
Amazing, looks really good.
It does look very cool.
And this one is like convertible.
Exactly. So this Super Sport can be configured really however you want. The amazing thing about Morgan, you can spec the car, the leather, the bodywork, the stitching on the headrest how you want. So this is the convertible sort of setup of the car with a soft top. But then you can also have a hard top that's removable. So really you get 3 cars in one. Roof off, soft top, hard top. So it's the first, what you'd say, all-weather Morgan.
Looks amazing. I love it.
Really cool.
I want to try driving it one day, you know?
Definitely.
This one, Tiffany blue.
Tiffany blue. So there are not many of these. In fact, this is the only one in the world spec like this. This is a different car. This is a limited run from Morgan. This is a Morgan Midsummer. So they made 50 pieces of the Morgan Midsummer, designed by Pininfarina. Pininfarina are a really famous Italian design company that did Ferrari for many years. They designed all the Ferraris for many years. So this was a collaboration between Morgan and Pininfarina, and this car has been completely customized with the bodywork, the ashwood frame, which is made all crafted, and the carpentry is done by hand.
Wow, look at the cute door.
There you go, and you can see all coach built in Malvern. Have a seat if you like.
Wow, I would love that. It's so cute. I feel like I'm back in early, which year?
Yeah, like it looks like the 1930s or something. It's kind of like the inspiration. You even got the Tiffany clock right there with the colour. So cool. Yeah, all of the wood done in all of the cars, even for Super Sport, is all done in Morgan's factory by hand. You have generations of families working in the same factory. Sometimes there's been grandfathers, fathers and sons all working on the same factory floor. So yeah, so this looks a little bit like a Tiffany or some sort of like Barbie car. Looks a bit like a cartoon car, but super unique. All the Morgans are really unique.
And exactly as you said, it looks classic, but everything is modern here. Even
everything's modern.
Everything. I love it. I love it. And the color is amazing. Beautiful.
Yeah, very cool.
And one more, huh?
And then this one is Morgan's Classic. So this is a +4. So this is a 4-cylinder Morgan. Anyone can purchase one of these. They are I wouldn't say entry level, they're all bespoke cars, the way that you spec them and design them. You can completely go wild with the interior. You can see this one's got almost a mustard yellow kind of color. I think this is like a Kill Bill spec, you know? Yeah, this is a slightly smaller engine, but still very quick, very sporty. And this is a classic Morgan. They've been building the +4 for many, many decades. This is a facelifted one. This is 2025's +4. So very cool.
Very cool. So this is basically new on the market in Dubai here?
Yeah, so Morgan officially launched only last year in Dubai. So only around a year ago did they launch through Adamas Motors. So Adamas is the dealership for UAE and Middle East. So they will bring all of the Morgans from the UK. If you spec your car, you go to Adamas, they will guide you through the process. You get the car from them, they ship it over here to you straight from the factory in the UK.
Wow, what are the prices?
So I think this one starts at around sort of 360,000 dirhams. Then depending on your spec, you go up from there, which for the car that you get, I mean, it's just a head turner. It's a networking piece. A lot of people who are passionate about motoring buy these cars. It takes all the attention away from
course, it's
Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLaren.
So how many horsepower are these?
So this one I think is around 340 horsepower, but because it only weighs 1,100 kg, the power to weight ratio is incredible. So, you know, it's keeping up with modern day sports cars. It looks like a classic car, but it is a thoroughbred sports car. So it's...
So next I'm taking it for the supercar rally, yeah, next one.
100%.
Imagine, I would take all the attention, everything. A Bugatti next to me, no one would care, you know?
That's the thing. You drive it down the road in Dubai. We're used to seeing Ferraris, we're used to seeing McLarens, we see, you know, GT3, 911, even Bugattis on the road. But something about this, when you're out in public in Dubai, everyone's left with a smile. It's almost like they don't feel jealous of the car, but they respect you driving the car. It looks classy. A lot of people get these cars who love motoring and they love going for a drive. They might take it to Hatta or the beachfront or just go out for a little drive. And it's the passion of motoring. That's what Morgan kind of embodies and always has, I think. So yeah, very special cars. You don't see them very often.
Beautiful ones.
Yeah.
Huh? Thank you, Jordan.
No
and
worries.
I will come to shoot my another video clip soon.
Perfect.
I think
Great to see you.
gonna do another song here. So
Amazing. Always
if you
happy
guys
to have
wanna
you.
book any studio here in Dubai anytime for any filming, Jordan Ravenscar studio here.
Very kind.
Thank you, Jordan.
Thank you.